Good morning, day 4. It is raining in Venice. We have our hiking boots on. Editor Jeff here. I'm living for these like awkward vlog introductions. It was my first time vlogging in public with my wife and in front of my friends. Also, the house was like super quiet in the morning. Everyone could hear me do the redos, the mess ups. The funniest thing is there's like 11 more days of this, so bear with my awkward introductions, but we're gonna roll with them. Shorts because it's still not that cold. We're gonna explore in the rain, go to St. Mark's Basilica, eat some pizza, eat some martini pastries and other coffees and things. We're headed on the bus right now. Parmesan, bus stop Parmesan.
Once we started. Oh, we have a whole film crew. Wow.
Try it. Is it good? A little pastry. Crazy steep. Oh my goodness. Forgot to say where we are, but we are at St. Mark's Basilica. It's like an old Catholic church. Like crazy ceilings. Look at these ceilings. We're getting our art in for the trip. It started raining. Not too bad though. Still pretty nice. Still like 65. It's a little bit wet. We're going to find some pizza. Sea of umbrellas.
Holding it.
We're going into a bookstore in like the middle of this small alley. This is dope. The oldest library in the world. Look, a little cat.
Cats and books.
Oh, this is a cats and books library?
Cats and cats. Cats galore in here. Dude, €7. You paid $1.
Sorry guys, please.
A gondola full of books. What is it? Oh, interesting. It's like a little... Can you actually walk up?
Non si può fermarsi però qua, no?
Get that camera out of my face.
No, never.
Oh, it's good. The sauce is really
Good? Oh.
We each get a dessert this trip.
I slid like crazy on the floor.
Oh, somebody
Is that
else
you?
did too.
I was like,
I thought some other guy.
I think it was someone else, but
Someone else did too.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
that one's good.
How did they make it like nutty and coffee? What's the verdict? Whoa, look at that face.
What is it, like espresso and like cream? Wow, that was it. A lady finger.
Pistachio.
Well, that one's better, right?
We out here.
We're taking the ferry over to Murano, where there's a glass blowing factory. I think we have a tour or some sort of like glass blowing shop. Let's go. Back on the water ferry. Back on the water ferry. Our boat has arrived. Perfect.
This costs 10 euros per person, but after the 10 euros will be a credit. You can buy something free in our shop.
Dude, these are cute. These little things.
Anzi, not for the boys.
Oh yeah.
For the other.
Infatti oggi qui si obbligano come avete giocato avec plus fabrique et 20 suspect derrière il settore originaire. A Venice, 50% della produzione avec les machines, c'est pas originale, siamo da noi c'est tutto originale.
Dude, stressed out that day.
Wow.
Bravo.
Bravo. It's the cat.
Oh, it is the ear.
It's crazy because like it's like flopping back and forth.
Yeah, I know. That's crazy.
So like hot. Wow.
It's moist out. It's like drizzling. Cannoli, coffee cannoli, and we have the drink is Crodini. I asked if it was alcohol, he said no, and I said, is it orange? He said, just try it. So,
Dude, it's orange cello, man.
what is it?
Orange cello.
What is orange cello?
It's limoncello, but orange.
Oh my
I kid you
gosh,
not,
is that
man.
what it actually is? How do you know
It
that?
just smells like orange cream soda or something.
Yeah.
Alright, try it.
But it might be orange.
Fun
cello.
drink of the day, Italian drink.
It's orange cello.
Oh no,
Oh,
no.
no.
It's not a fun drink. She hates it. Alright, this is gonna be better.
I know.
though.
It tastes like there's
Here we go.
alcohol in it. Yeah. That's really expensive for. How much? $3.50.
I mean, that was pretty good.
And it's so little.
This place has a 1.2 star rating.
What is a 1.2 star rating?
Dude, you paid and then Jenny's like, look. I was like, I was like, wait, and then you paid. I was like, no.
Whatever, whatever.
Yeah.
Wait, you might have.
Is it alcohol?
I don't know. Try it. Maybe you need to try it. Let me see.
I won't try it, but you can try it.
How cannoli is supposed to be cold?
No, I
The
don't
cafe
think so.
cream is good though.
Yeah, that's good. I think that's what cannolis are. They're just like, okay. All right, for the review, the fun drink of the day is Crodini Orange something. 0 out of 10. Literally tastes like medicine. It's the worst thing I've ever had. Oh my gosh, it's so bad.
Dude, yeah, like the floor.
Oh my gosh, wow. And the cafe, what is it?
Oats.
No, what is this? A cannoli.
Oh, cannoli.
The coffee cannoli is,
Said
it's okay. It's like a 4 out of 10.
Bitter
So
apple.
0 out of 10.
Oh, this is so bad.
Wait,
Oh
where
my
did you
gosh.
find this?
Like I literally can't finish. I just took like one
Oh, it
sip.
says
It's so
an
bad.
orange colored drink made from herbal extracts and sugar.
Made from herbal extracts
So
and
it is
sugar.
medicine.
Literally medicine.
So it's supposed to be good for you.
Wow. Maybe it's like what's sort of like ginger drinks or something.
Yeah.
You gotta finish it. Just chug it. It's good for you. Just drink it.
I'd rather drink another Aperol Spritz than this, man. Alright, so we're here with the Crodini again. Crodino. Sorry.
Crodino.
It's so bad, but let me I'm gonna dissect it, okay? So when you first drink it, it tastes like an orange soda. It's good, right?
Is it good?
It's good. Oh, but then it's really bitter taste. It hits you afterwards, and I don't know why. It leaves a really bad taste in your mouth. It like hits you fast. So let me get one more
I
time.
can't even believe you're still drinking it. That is so bad.
Oh. I kid you not. It's like you like throw up in your mouth for like a second. But yeah, don't ever get this.
All right, chase it with your cannoli.
This is even worse, man.
The cannoli's bad too.
It's like eating something spicy and then eating something less spicy. Because it's just fire in my mouth the whole time.
I genuinely don't think I like cannolis that much though. I just don't think cannolis are that good.
I don't know. I think cannolis are supposed to be cold. Like it's supposed to be like a cold.
Yeah, it doesn't have like the mascarpone.
We're done for the day. We just took the ferry back. We're gonna take the bus home and go play some games and sleep. That is all for today. See you tomorrow.
Shit is out there, we like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it. And I know you got it. If you're with me, let's rock this party. All the girls on the side say